Alright guys, this is what I'm doing. I'm picking some mustard greens today out of the garden. And we're gonna do a pick, clean, and cook. Mustard greens. I got a pot, half a pot already. And we're gonna go from there. Hello guys. Today, I went outside. My mustard greens are really taking off out there, and there's some ready to be pulled. So that's what I did. Okay, so I gathered up a nice amount of mustard greens, bring them in the house. You see how pretty they are. Fresh out the garden. Gets no better than that. All right, now I have that ham hock in the pot. It's ready to boil. And all of that meat is going to be cut up and broken up, and it's going in, the seasoning and everything is going right into my greens to make a nice broth. Look at that ham hock. Jeez, that one is ready. That boy is off the bone. Off the bone. And that's what I want. That baby is ready. I want to taste a little piece of that. I'm in here washing my greens. Just washing all the grass, dirt, dust off so I can get ready to cook them. Just cut them up, roll them up, cut them up like that to make for nice tender greens. All right, this is my dinner. Some greens. It's got the smoked ham hock in it and some cornbread. We're making some chicken tonight. I'm getting them seasoned up real good. And they're going right into the grease. The grease is already hot. Let's get it. Okay, I got my seasoned flour. Seasoned flour, guys. All right, I got my chicken in the hot grease, doing this thing, and we're gonna let that stay in there for about 15 minutes. I got 13 minutes and 12 seconds left on the clock. Adios. It's going really good. Look at that golden brown. It's turning golden brown. All right, guys, technically you see chicken floating at the top. Those are some wings. And honestly, when you see them floating at the top, they're done. Watch, I'm gonna push them back down. They're coming right back to the top. They're done. But I'm going to take out one or two. Actually, I'm gonna let them stand there. I'm gonna be a law-abiding citizen. I got 5 minutes and 44 seconds left. I'm gonna take advantage of it. Let them cook. Okay, that's my chicken wings. And I packed it up, packed the meat up. I put 4 wings in there, 2 thighs, 2 drumsticks. That's enough for the night and tomorrow at lunch. All right, guys, I'll let you come along with me while I take these last couple pieces out. But since those thighs and the drumsticks are a little bit thicker than the wings, I want them to stay in about 3 extra minutes after the wings because they went in there a few minutes after it. So I want them to harden up a little bit. get nice and tender. Because you don't want to play with raw chicken. Salmonella will tear your ass up.